This is going to be a video tutorial on how to always clear cookies and site data upon exit in the Opera GX web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser. I have the Opera GX web browser opened up now. To set up your browser to always clear cookies and site data every time you exit, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little red O logo. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to click on Site Settings. And then you will scroll down, and down here where it says Additional Content Settings, you want to expand that. Then you'll scroll down, and right here, On-Device Site Data, you want to click on that. And then right up top here it says a site you visit can save info about what you're doing so that it works as expected. For example, to keep you signed into a site or to save items to a shopping cart, often sites save this info temporarily on your device. The default behavior: sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. By default, the top one is toggled on, allow sites to save data on your device. If you toggle on the middle one, delete data sites have saved on your device when you close all windows. And the bottom one is, if you toggle on that bottom one, don't allow sites to save data on your device. But if you want to clear data upon exit, you would toggle on the middle one here. Delete data sites have saved on your device when you close all windows. Thanks for watching.